to Advika TV. Today, we're making bath bombs. I'm so excited. I never saw how bath bomb was. So, the ingredients, we need a spatula and we need baking soda, what is the citric acid, and the cornstarch. And how many ml? 5 ml of cooking or baby oil. Enough. And we need 1 cup. So let's get started. What is the number 1? Take the cup and put 3 scoops of baking soda. It's gonna spill, so I'm scared. That was scary. Oh, baking soda. Yeah. Now how many scoops? 3 scoops. This baking soda is hard. One. Oh. This is my finger. It's a good bad. 2. And last but not least, just a little bit too much. And 3. Done. So you'll have the baking soda. I just want to make cake with the baking soda and eat it. So, and 2 scoops of citric acid. I feel like citric acid is very bad. I'm so scared. It just makes like a noise. Oh my. And now how many scoops? 2. Now, 1 and 2. Last but not least, 2 scoops. Done. Something 4 scoops we need to add of cornstarch. 4 scoops of cornstarch. There's just a little bit of cornstarch left. I don't think this will be enough. But we can surely add some cornstarch to it. Well, that's too tiny. 1. I don't think. 2. 3. And last but not least. And this is last but not least in the bottle. I think so. And 4. Done. Enough water on cornstarchy. Cornstarchy. Just dust that off. There. Now, measure 5 ml oil in the measuring cylinder and pour it into the cup. We have already measured it. Just pour it. What are we making? I'm so excited. It's gonna take like so much ready. You know? Add 6 to 7 drops of color. 6 to 7 drops. That means 7 drops we have to add. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Not 7? Okay, so 2 and 6 to 7 drops of any scent. I want a lot of scent, so I'm gonna add 7 drops. So I want a lot of fruity smell to get everything to that bomb. So I'm gonna add 7 drops. Okay. So I'll add 1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5,
6, 7.
7. That's it.
8. No, that's not heat option. It'll be too smelly. Does it smell like rose? It doesn't. It doesn't smell like rose or anything. It smells like chemicals. Just mix it. So how do you roll the macaroni? Mix it with the spatula. It's getting like a little bit doughy. Like I'm making a black or something. It looks like something else. Hey, get it out. Get everything out. Hey. Mixture. Have to just decide it. Looks like I'm cooking or making something. But don't eat this. I was just joking. This is not real food. Hey, why does it always get out? Looks like it's bad bombing or something. Okay, it's done, is it? Now I have to take it in my hand. That's my favorite part. How does that feel? So great. Feels like I'm making chapatis or something. It don't feel like, it feels very soft. It fit on the book. Sorry. Every time it's for a while. I'll take it out next time. Yeah, it's not the best idea to take it out next time. So, take it on this hand and the mixture is very great now. Like it's like so soft, so fuzzy, so great. That's what I was telling you to be very careful with this part. Because if it spills, it's gonna just like fire. Hey, it's like it's been rolled into a bowl.
Yes, that's right.
So now what do we have to do? Place the bowl in a cup. We have to freeze it overnight. The bath bomb we made into our tub. So I'm scared. Is it fizzing or anything? Yes! It worked. Where's the bath bomb? So sticky. Ew, so sticky. All these things. I want to feel this bathroom. Ew, it's so sticky.